Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient border to plot area of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add gradient border to plot area. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then select column chart and click OK. Then select the plot area, then click right button on our mouse, then go to format plot area. Then select the borders option and choose gradient line. Then select gradient color. Then increase the white. Then close the window. Then we can see here we added gradient border to plot area of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.